octopus roams at night. He searches for prey to satisfy his hunger. He is good at hiding among the rocks. He must be careful of his enemies. A world full of secrets. Octopuses are an order of the cephalopoda family. They have 8 long tentacles that take the form of tentacles filled with suckers. They are classified within the group of mollusks that includes squid, snails, oysters, and other creatures. It is a distinctive aquatic animal. Hipposcarus longiceps. Long-nosed parrotfish are light blue with orange scale margins. The upper lip is orange and the fins are blue and orange. According to the age composition of the sexes and the structure of the gonads, this species displayed diandric hermaphroditism with a primary male. There are 1248 species and 532 genera in the Red Sea distributed among 171 families. The distribution of species among the families is uneven, as there are a large number of species that contain a large number of species. The sea cucumber, whose scientific name is Holothuridae, is a type of invertebrate whose average lifespan in the wild is 5 to 10. A sea lionfish devoured a small fish, which is a coral reef fish. Stomphia coccinea is a small reddish, orange or brownish colored species of sea anemone in the family Actinostolidae. It can swim away when necessary in order to escape a predator. Feather stars are so called because their arms look just like feathers. By day they keep curled up, but on night dives you see these pretty animals in their warm colors, with their feathery arms extended. The chicken of the sea has several physical and behavioral characteristics that distinguish it from other fish. The mating process between the male and female often occurs before dark, as the male takes the initiative and is near the female, resting on his ventral fins and then encircling her. The sea hen depends on small fish, mollusks and invertebrates as its main food. This fish devours its prey whole. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can inflate into a ball shape to evade predators, also known as blowfish. The world of the sea is a beautiful world, and it is worth diving into it to know its secrets.